Really? Airplane car? Honey, you won't believe what I brought home. And it's got the shag interior.
Well, we go from airplane cars to an Amphicar. This is the original boat car. There they go.
The name of it is the Amphicar 770, so it's supposed to go 7 miles an hour in the water,
Okay.
70 miles an hour on land.
Really?
It won't do 7 miles an hour in the water, and I would never go 70 miles an hour.
These are quite unique. So the water line is pretty much the trim line here.
Pretty much, yeah. Maybe a little bit lower in the back.
And the interior is built to take the wet.
Looks like a boat.
Yeah. And they weren't watertight, were they?
Not at all. And this is the 1963 safety latch here. That's all you get. They leak very badly. It does take on a lot of water. It can leak as much as 2 gallons a minute. It's got 2 big bilge pumps on it, so it's cleaning it out. We put this on so you can actually see it bilge, because if you can't see it bilge, you're sinking.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Good point. Love the license plate. It's so apropos.
But it's durable and it's reliable. It's been really good for us anyway. We were in the water 2 weekends ago. We took it 5 miles away from land, and we've been in the water 3 hours. So it doesn't just splash and rumble around a little bit. It'll go in the water.
This thing is gorgeous. It's such a beautiful mix. I always love this kind of style.
What the heck is happening here? I just walked up and they just started running. BMWs galore, Alpinas. I used to love me an Alpina BMW, M3s, BMWs everywhere. What's going on over here? Crowd of people. What the heck? They just ran out of anywhere. Tools and everything. What? Coming away? Oh, sorry. What's going on here? What? All right. What the heck is happening here? I just walked up and they just started running.
These are 5 high school students on this team and 5 high school students on that team. What they're doing is they're disassembling a 350 Chevy roller engine and reassembling it in under 33 minutes.
Take it apart and put it back together in 33 minutes.
Yes, or under.
So I race motorcycles, and we do this for motorcycles. Like, we take them apart, put them back together. We change a motor in 45 minutes between rounds, and that's if we're lucky.
Trust me.
So you're telling me
I know my students.
So
they're going to do this.
This is a challenge, but I'm skeptical.
Sir, I'll throw you down one. If these teams can do it in under 33 minutes, then you have to visit us at our high school at Sims Academy in Winder, Georgia. You have to come visit us.
That is a bet.
33 minutes or under.
Let me watch them work.
Come on, guys. You got a bet going down. Come on, guys. 33 minutes or under. You can do it.
How many of y'all think they can do it? We're going to see, ain't we? It's amazing, though. They look like they know what they're doing with these tools.
These students are part of a club called Motor Masters. It's a motor club. And today what they're doing is they're trying to raise money. They want to buy a huge vehicle, a 1996 or newer, and they're going to donate it to the local women's battery charger.
So they're going to fix it up?
Oh, yes. Yes, that's why they're raising the money.
And they're going to give it to somebody less fortunate.
Yes.
That is awesome. Now I'm cheering for them. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Pick it up.
It's amazing that kids at this age can accomplish this. It's good that they're learning the skill. It was still me mechanics.
I think this is great to have something like this and teach the kids to use their hands and think a little bit instead of playing on the computer all the time.
This is crazy. We're only like 9 minutes into it, and they're about to do the turnaround. And the turnaround consists of putting everything on the table, and they have to be behind the table with everything organized. And here they go. They're on the way to putting it back together. This is crazy. I can't miss this, but I gotta go see a couple more cars, and then I'll be back before they finish for sure. This is unbelievable. 10 minutes.